Hi, how are you? This is Iman, a trainer for 14 years for now. I started working in 2003. I'm Adobe certified instructor, Adobe partner, and Autodesk certified professional. I started my career as a trainer because many of the participants, when they like the candidates, let's say, they like to start a new job, they have a good, maybe information, a good background about the tools of any program, but they cannot work with that program in the proper way. So in that time, I started thinking about, okay, how to deliver the material in a way that will help you understand the tool, the options, and in the same time, be creative in using them. And I started that. I started giving different ways, let's say, and different techniques to help the students understand how they can, let's say, work with the different applications. I started working with Adobe from 1999, and from the same time also I started the Autodesk, and I studied how to be a certified technical trainer. So I have the certificate, the CompTIA, Certified Technical Trainer. In that kind of, let's say, training, when you like to train yourself to be a good trainer, so you have to understand the psychology of your trainee. And when you have that psychology, you understand that psychology, you can deal with different kinds of trainees. Because, you know, we are, as human, we have different characters, we have different ways of understanding. Some of us are visual, so you have to use a kind of mind mapping in teaching. I really love my career. I'm an architect, by the way. I'm a researcher. I have a master's degree of architecture, but I love to train people. I love to spread the knowledge. I love to learn something and help the other to learn. I like to continue my job in a very creative way. I like to join Udemy because I have a lot to add. I will not be just a trainer, I'll be a trainer who will support you understanding and will help you to keep this information and to use it in a very creative way. My name is Iman Ahmed. Thank you, and see you in my next video.